This is a WBNS 10 TV throwback.
Take a good look at life. Take a good look at living. Get your piece of the city. Do some taking, do some giving. Make the most of the days and the nights that you spend. Get to know this great city. You know it's your friend. Take a good look at it. Take a good look at the world that's all around you. You know so much is changing. Just watch and you're bound to start knowing.